second fish of the day here. This is a monster. This is a monster. We got the monster cat going on. Tighten this drag up real quick so I can crank him in because I got 30-pound test. What the buck is up? Hope you're having a bucking outrageous day, and welcome back to another fishing adventure. So I made it out to the bank right now. It is piping hot. I'm gonna be still using the exact same bait I was using the other night. It's gonna start a little bit earlier. Like I said, high-low rig, heavy sinker, shrimp is my ticket. People like to use chicken liver and like to use other things like chicken gizzard, hot dogs, all the other stuff. But me, shrimp. Anyways, let's try to catch some catfish. Stay tuned for the fishing. There you go, buddy. This is the lobster here. He's about to catch a lobster, Detroit River lobster. He's so big. Oh my God.
Oh, he get trapped.
Woo.
He get trapped.
Dang. That thing's huge. Look at the size
He
of
get
that
trapped
thing.
in a line. That's
Biggest one I've seen. That's a lobster.
yeah. Look at that.
Literally a lobster. Look at the size of that thing.
What they call
Look at
it?
the size of my crayfish.
Crayfish. Yes.
That's a big crayfish. You guys don't understand how big this is? Let me show you. Let me show you. I'll pull out something. This is a Canadian $20 bill. Look at that. It's the size of the Canadian $20 bill. Bigger. That thing's bigger than a $20 bill. Lobster. Huge. So there's that crayfish I caught earlier. Or you want to call it a lobster.
You know what that's called?
What?
That's a goddamn crawdaddy.
That's a crawdaddy.
That's a crawdaddy right there.
That's a big
That's a good eating crawdaddy.
That's a USA crawdaddy right here. That's like a lobster.
Goddamn crawdaddy if I ever see one.
Oh yeah, that's a crawdaddy if I ever seen anything like that. Look at this, bigger than my hand.
Are you releasing that?
Bro, no,
You better not throw that back.
No, this is gonna be on the bait. I caught it in the rocks right there. This is gonna be on the hook right there, man.
Serious?
It's straight from the Detroit River. All right, guys, there you go. All right, this is bait. Alright guys, so there you go. Check this crawdad out. This crawdad here was caught in rocks right there. While me and my brother on it there. And that thing right there is bigger than my hand. It's monstrous. It's a lobster. Look at this. I'll go this way. Check that out. Bigger than my hand, by far. Huge. Detroit River. But that's going to be catfish bait. So, let's cast this out.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Here we go.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Glad it didn't come off.
No, I'm glad it didn't come off.
Oh, I wonder what he's on.
I don't know,
I
Mike.
use a little perch.
No, hell no, bro. Get the hell out of here.
I'm just kidding. Shrimp. It's shrimp.
Is it a Hello Kitty? I think so.
I think it's a Hello
I think so.
Look at it. Sorry, don't. I know you gotta bleach it out. But
I got
look at this guy
chicken.
coming right
I
here.
got liver. Mix, please deliver. You know who that is?
No.
What?
Is that
Dr.
the
Evil.
commercial?
Dr. Evil.
Dr. Evil.
Remember he does the Austin Powers?
Yep. Cool.
Oh, this is awesome. Great start to the night here.
Yep. What?
What is that?
I don't know. Why did you jump?
Oh, it's a nice cat.
That's a decent cat.
That's a nice cat.
Oh, Pete showed up just in time.
Just in
time, Pete. I'll
Yo.
get the stringer out.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Thank you, brother.
Beautiful cat.
Thank
On
you,
the
brother.
shrimp right there. Check that guys out. Mikey Falzo with the. Hey man, that's gonna be like about 3 pounds. Nice and chunky. Clean fish too. No markings. Yo, you wanna take a pose with that? Mikey, nice fish. First fish on the day. Good evening here. Right on the Detroit River. What do you think about that? Pete, Good, delicious fish.
Yeah, it's pretty edible.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. I like it. It's tasty.
Straight to the jar.
All right.
To the jar.
Is Leia on it? Is it a big one?
All right. We'll see how she goes.
I like big ones. Nice, beautiful night here. The water's like calm.
Hey, Em, are you keeping?
Hey, Em, you on too? Yeah. Em's on too. All right.
You're on.
All right.
Really should have the other net. Yo, can I get that?
Can I get that from the shooter?
The shitter.
Oh, it's a sheep.
Just see that beautiful scenery there.
Freshwater drum.
Can I get that for the stringer?
Buck is on right now. Buck is on. First kitty of the night. Let me turn my light on. Let me put this headlamp for you guys on.
That's like the one I got.
Yeah?
Yeah. Oh no, that's Canadian Tire.
Yeah, it is Canadian Tire. No
That's a
dollar
good
store.
one. That's a good one. No, I got.
Oh! Not again.
Oh,
Snag?
get him.
It went into the snag again. I gotta move from the spot.
The same snag that he just was in.
Let me move this. Is that yours? Yeah.
That's mine. That's the second fish I lost because of the snag.
I hope.
Is he off?
No.
Black. Let him take it.
Let me
out.
see.
I wonder if I should reel it.
Oh, I got it out.
Nice.
I'm reeling.
I got it out.
I'm reeling it. It's over top of here.
I got it out. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Keep reeling. I'm getting that.
It's the weeds. I got some weeds. What is that? It's a sucker fish. It's a sucker. It's a sucker. Pete, you want the sucker? Onto the stringer. Onto the stringer, guys. There you go. My first fish of the night. It's a red horse sucker.
There you go.
You know, if you guys smoke this, it's actually pretty good. But I don't know how you guys do it. Tell me in the comments below. I don't know. Do you guys eat red horse suckers or not? I know if we smoke it, it's actually pretty good. But anything smoked is good. All right, guys. The second fish of the day here. This is a monster. This is a monster. We got the monster cat going on. Tighten this drag up real quick so I can crank him in because I got 30-pound test. But this is a monster. On the shrimp. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Am I getting a bite?
Bruh. Wow.
Take your time. Pete. Take your
Wow. I ain't taking my time on this one. Man, I got the Berkeley cherry wood that Mike has sold me. I got this for a good deal. Check this out, $10. What do you guys think? And then my reel is a Mega Cast Bass Pro, which was $15. So $25 setup here, guys. And I'm just slaying these catfish.
That's what I like.
I know, eh? The cheaper the better.
And it works like good.
Yeah. I would say something, but people might not like it. It's like a cheap hooker. $25. Better, the cheaper the better.
I wouldn't know about cheap hookers.
No, I'm just saying, I'm just kidding.
I know.
But here we go. This is gonna be a nice cat.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Oh,
it's a beauty.
that's a big one. Oh my God.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
There it goes.
oh, he's seen the light of day.
You don't like the net.
He's seen the light of day, guys. You guys seeing this right now? Oh, this is gonna be a 10-pounder.
Long size net available for me.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Get in the net.
You want
Woo!
to weigh him?
Wow, look at that.
It looks like it's 10 pounds.
Jesus Christ.
You want to weigh him, B?
Oh yeah, let's weigh him.
There you
Let's
go.
weigh him, Mike.
There you go.
Thank you so much. All right, let's weigh this up.
Oh yeah. Oops. I forgot my headlight.
All right, Mike. That was amazing, bro.
Oh, he's
As we were talking too, eh?
Bro, he's so fat.
As we were reminiscing.
I'm gonna say 8 or 7.5, 8 to
I'm
be
gonna
honest.
say 11.
7 maybe.
7,
I'm gonna
8,
say 11.
11.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm
Usually
gonna
I go
I'm
too
gonna say-
low.
I'm gonna say 10 minimum.
I like his, but I'm gonna say higher, 11.
Okay, well, Mike is a expert in this, so he knows. So I'm not the expert. I
like
just catch
I'm gonna
fish.
say a little over 10.
I like
Okay.
his. I like his analogy.
I do too. I do too. Let's look. Oh wow!
Whoa, baby.
That
Slow
scale
down.
is heavy.
Slow down.
How much?
9.
Net?
Close.
9 pounds right there.
Yep.
9 pounds. Wow.
Nice cat.
That's my first cat of the night, guys. All right. First cat of the night, guys, right there. 9 pounds.
Make it opposite. Yeah.
It's
correct.
so huge. So thick. Right there, we got it on the scale. You can see the scale hanging on the mouth, but that was my first cat of the night. Mikey Falzon already destroyed one. He is the captain of this, but leading the way. Thank you, Detroit River. Thank you.
Nice.
All right, Pete. So my cousin Pete is on one right now. He's got a tanker. He's got a tanker. This night fishing right now is on fire. Yeah?
I don't think it's too big.
Bro, look at all the minnows. Holy smokes. Go right to the... Oh. Yeah. That's a nice cat. That's a nice cat. Yep. Good eating size right there, guys. Good eating size. You got it. Wow.
Yeah, look at tiger.
Wow.
Nice cat.
Nice cat.
Nice one. Thanks.
All right, guys. So there we go. My cousin Pete and his cat. Nice channel. How do you feel, bro? Is it his lay?
Great. It's his lay, baby.
Oh, where's laying tonight,
It
man?
hammered it.
Oh man, it hammered that rod. All right, brother.
All right.
Nice
hey,
catch. So my buddy Arden is on right now. This is just minutes after right now. Right where Pete is still dealing with his fish over there. Right there. Arden, how's it feel? Is it a big fish?
It's solid, yeah.
It's solid? Oh yeah, brother. Oh yeah. Man, the shrimp is working tonight. Rotten shrimp. All right. Oh, that's a nice one. Solid cat. Solid cat. Yes, we're slaying it tonight. This is on. Everybody's on the board.
Taking names and filling jars.
Everybody's on the board. That's a clean cat too. Look at that channel. It's nice and fat. Yeah, of course. Oh yeah. All right, brother. Sweet. Nice cat. Another cat on the night. That's my buddy Arden right there. I blinded him with the lights.
the cap, otherwise your face do not get it.
So a Scott of Walleye's got one on here. It's already up here. Oh, it's already to shore. He's already here. He's already here.
Light.
That's a nice catfish in the shallows, eh, Ivan? More, Ivan, more. Yeah, real more. There you go.
There, in the net.
There you go.
One for Pete. This is a huge
Nice.
net.
Right to the stringer.
That's a huge net.
Oh, sick. This is a big net.
That's a sick net.
Man, this thing is never so crazy.
There you go,
Nice cat.
Ivan. Nice cat. Hold on.
What time is it? Like,
Thank you, eh?
It'll get knocked out.
Wow, this is a big one. That one almost took my rod in, eh?
it did.
It slammed so hard.
That's why you gotta really stay close to your.
I'm gonna get out of your way here.
Yeah.
It'll be a while. It's a big puppy.
All right, I'm out.
I think Art, you're gonna get what's his name tried too.
Wow, this is a big cat.
Right at night, eh?
I know. As soon as the darkness came, another one
Mike,
on cherry wood here.
where's Mike?
Is that the Berkeley Cherrywood view?
You're
It
over
is the
Mike's
Berkeley
line.
cherry wood, brother.
Reel in Mike's line, Arden. Keep reeling.
Can I have it?
Go underneath them, Arden. You're underneath, yeah.
Can I fight it?
Oh wow, look at that.
Is this mixed shoop?
I gotta go over here.
Yeah, he's gonna have to go under me.
Yeah, go under him. Thanks, Arden.
Yeah. Wow, here we go, guys.
That's how you work together.
Yes. Yes, here we go.
That's a big 6 pounder.
Oh yeah. Another caddy.
Nice Cadillac.
Nice Cadillac coming in. Thank you, Mike.
Yo!
Oh,
Yo!
Congrats, me.
thank you. Thank you.
Yo!
There you go, guys. Another kitty on the night there. You
That's
guys
not
can
it.
see
That's,
just flicking around on the ground.
That's
Flick around! Flick around! They get a nice shot of this. It's sent to God. Yeah, this one.
Sent to God up
This
there.
is sent to God right here because it's getting eaten.
Send
All
that to
right.
the pot.
Oh!
Oh!
It's spiked.
Are you okay?
Ah, that hurt. That hurt. That one. It got me right in the wrist.
Hold it up with the scale.
It got me right in the wrist. But there you go, another kitty on the night. Oh! Stop slapping around. That one was about well, 4 poundish or so, I would say we got roughly estimately, but it is chunky. I don't know if you can see that in the light. Can you see it pretty well?
Yep.
There you go.
Oh, you kidding? Really?
Okay. Must be about 4 pounds there. Another kitty on the net right there. Ah, it's really getting me right now. The pain is on, but I'm gonna let it. Pete, take this.
Getting bit right up.
I know, it bugs because the light's on.
Light's on.
So
I can turn it off if you want me to.
No, keep it on, keep it on.
We'll fight through this.
Turn it lower.
We'll fight through this.
Mike, actually turn it back on. Turn it back.
Yeah, we'll fight through this. Ah! Ah! We're getting destroyed by bugs.
Oh, I see him.
Yeah.
It's a beauty.
It's a sheep.
Oh, it's a sheep head.
It's the master sheep.
Oh, it's so huge! It's so huge!
Oh, you got his line.
Bro!
You got his line.
It's so huge!
That is huge.
That's so huge!
Oh my god.
Bro, you should. That's nice. That's a master angler for sure.
Reel your line in, Arden.
Look at the size of that freshwater drum, guys.
Champion.
Sheep champion.
So we got Eric here on one now.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah!
Welcome back to another episode of Fishing with
Why
Why
not?
Not.
Yeah.
Why not?
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Today's
and we'll get the
video,
net-
I'm
get the net going.
smashing.
Cool.
Oh yeah.
Keep fighting right there.
Wow! That's a cat.
Oh, that's cat.
That's a cat. That's a big old cat. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Nice!
You can take a picture with it, buddy.
Nice!
Look at that
Nice!
guy.
Nice catch, bro.
Oh yeah.
Nice!
Hold on, I want to get a pic.
Yeah.
Pic.
Let me get this one.
Picture.
Oh, I was going to use the line to.
Hey.
Line, eh? I was like, yo, I think it's somebody's fucking line. Hold on. Grab him like that.
Alright,
Your
Eric,
shit got all
how do you
tangled.
feel with that kitty?
Want to push that middle button?
That's a nice sinker.
Let me take a picture, right?
Looks cool.
Yeah.
There you go, Eric.
Oh yeah, eh?
Oh yeah,
They got
nice
those little
kitty,
bumps,
brother.
eh?
Alright guys, gonna end my night there. That was just a fascinating night. We caught a bunch of cats. All kinds of different people caught cats there. I ended up catching a couple suckers also in between. A couple sheep heads, but man, what a great bite. What a great bite. The shrimp does the trick. You guys ever get a chance, get yourself down out here. Get yourself a nice rod, nice rig. You know, heavy sinkers, and you will start slaying them. Anyways, I'll see you guys soon. Catch you on the next one.